Hi guys, this is Anil Vishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you're watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, in our discussion of antonym, we have discussed each and every aspect of antonym, and the next is our synonyms. We will discuss more about synonyms. But my humble request to you is to practice all this as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you retain in your mind, and that will help you in exam time. So keep on practicing synonym and antonym whatever I give you, and it will help you in your main exam preparation. So let's start today's discussion. English synonyms: abandon, leave or desert; abbreviate, clip or shorten or contract. You can write all of the three: clip, shorten or contract. Abolish, destroy, cancel, repeal, eliminate. Ability, capacity, efficiently and skill. Abnormal, unusual, irregular, peculiar. Absolute, unlimited, complete. Absolve, acquit, excuse, pardon. Abstain, refrain, desist, withhold. Abstract, recondite, abstruse. Accept, agree, approve or admit. Accord, agree or consent or nod. An accident, mishap, calamity or change. Accumulate, assemble or gather. Accuse, impeach or charge or blame. Achieve, attain or gain or triumph. Acknowledge, own or concede or admit. Active, smart or brisk. Adhere, attract or stick or conjoin. Admiration, appreciation or praise. Advance, forward or proceed. Advantage, avail or utility or gain. Adversity, poverty or misfortune. Advise, counsel. Afraid, frightened or faint-hearted. Agreement, stipulation, bond or treaty. Aid, support or help. Alert, evoke or caution. Allure, charm or invite or fascinate. Amazing, extraordinary. Ambition, desire or aspiration. Ample, full or broad or sufficient. Ancient, antiquated, aged or old. Anger, fury or rage or indignation. Annexation, increase or expansion. Annihilate, destroy or cancel or annul. Annoy, worry or irritate or trouble. Anxiety, worry or eagerness. Apathy, hostility or indifference or enmity. Apparent, visible or evident or clear. Appetite, ambition or hunger or desire. Appreciation, praise or regard or respect or love. Arrest, capture or detain or withhold. In the other side we will discuss few more synonyms. Friends, coming to next synonym, assent, further or go forward, avoid, elude or sake of, attempt, endeavor or effort, attract, fascinate or allure, auspicious, hopeful or successful, authority, influencer or power or sovereignty, awareness, alertness or knowledge, awkward, uncouth or wrong, banish, dismiss or dispose, backward, sluggish or go behind, barren, fruitless or abortive, bankrupt, destitute or insolvent, beginning, opening or star or origin or initiation, behavior, conduct or manner, belittle, disparage or humiliate, believe, trust or faith, benefit, gain or profit, benevolence, selflessness or humanity, bewilder, problem or enigma, bogus, false or fabricated or mendacious, borrow, receive or adapt or take, bottom, base or nadir or foundation, brave, bold, fearless, violent or daring, breadth, width or expanse, breed, produce or raise, brevity, conciseness or shortness, brusque, gruff or abrupt or curt, brutal, cruel or inhuman or barbarous, calamity, misery or misfortune or trouble, cause, region or ground, careless, negligent or inattentive, career, profession or occupation, casualty, mishap or calamity, celibacy, bachelor or single, censorship, disapproval or check, certain, definite or sure or actual, circulate, propagate or publish or spread, civil, polite or respectful or courteous, coherence, adherence or shouldering, comfortable, pleasant or convenient, common, usual or ordinary or banal, compassion, kindness or sympathy. So with this, it came to the end of this video. I request all of you to practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you remember and retain in your mind, and it will help you in your main examination. And sir and ma'am, if you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. If you like today's video, then do give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.